Hey there, and welcome to our introductory lesson on Google Apps Script. We're going to show you how to get started with Google Apps Script. Now, there's a main web page from Google that will give you more information about what's available with a Google Apps Script. So essentially with Google Apps Script, you can create and rapidly create applications that integrate with the Google suite of products. You can automate it, and best of all, it's all available within the cloud. And this is JavaScript based language. So if you are familiar with JavaScript, then you should be able to jump right in and start building out your own Google apps. So going over to the website, it lists out all the different apps that it can integrate with. So primarily a lot of people are using it for Sheets, Docs, as well as for Gmail, for Drive, for Calendar. So these are some of the more popular uses, and we are going to be showing you how to get started with this, how to set up, and how to start scripting. Now there is more information available within the guides, where we've got guide information. So it's got a bunch of code samples, how to extend your Google suite of products, as well as there's a reference area. So these are all the main Google suite of products. So we've got the Spreadsheet, we've got the Doc, Calendar is there, and then there's Gmail, Drive, as well as some additional ones. There's also some advanced services such as Gmail, so that allows you to send mail, and you can integrate with a whole slew of Google services. There's also some script services as well, which really allow you to do some amazing things with Google Apps Script. So there's also some samples of code, as well as video library to find out more about what's available with Google Apps Script. So there really is just a ton of stuff. So in order to get started, there's actually nothing to install, and you can start creating your own script by going to script.google.com/home. And please remember that you do need to have a Google account, and you do need to be logged into your Google account in order to access it. And then everyone with a Google account has the option to access and to create Google scripts, as well as access to all of the G Suite of products. So the main place, you can go to script.google.com home. There's also script.google.com, where it will also redirect right to the home page. In order to create a new script, you just click this wonderful button here in the top left-hand corner, hitting New Script, and this opens up the editor. So this is the online editor where you can create scripts. You've got a number of options, so you can give your script a name, and let's call it First Script. And of course, you can call it by whatever project. By default, there's a default function called myFunction. And the way that Google Scripts works is that you create code, blocks of code, and you wrap them within a function. And then whenever you want to run those blocks of code, all you do is call the function. And of course, I am going to be showing you that and getting you more familiar with that as we go through the upcoming lessons. So first up, go ahead, set up, log into your Google account, go to your script.google.com page, and then create a new script. So you should have an editor on your screen and be ready to write some code, and that's coming up in the next lesson.